Hi, I make no apology for showing this phone again. I had put it up previously and I thought, well, I'll give it another airing. And I thought it was about time I put another phone up. Anyhow, here we have the phone KTAS. The dial actually was changed. I got this phone from America, but unfortunately the dial was damaged and I had a spare one, so it was changed. So it's the correct dial for this phone. It's KTAS from Copenhagen. I'll show you the handset. This is a genuine one. It's not reproduction. It was manufactured in the 1930s. See if I can show you what's on the actual thing. You can just make it out. As I say, it is genuine, and yep, 1930s. The date is actually inside. It's working well. I just wired it up again. I put a new cord on it. The other cord I've kept because that is just as valuable. There was a job to change the end, so I put it onto a normal line cord. But as I say, it's quite a nice instrument. You've got on here, but obviously not in use, a reading there, and that was for the metering or the amount of calls that were made. As I said, not wired up for that, but there is a check meter inside which you can see the digits on there. The other one is for your number. Very nicely made, these. You've got the way of lifting it up, which is quite heavy. The actual capacitor is quite large in the base, and terminal arrangements are nice and neat, nice and clean. It's nice sort of working on these older ones because they were well made. The dial is a typical dial showing the designations of the letters that were used in Copenhagen, Denmark. And also the dial design is of the slipping cam type. This was invented by GEC in England, and obviously the patent was used with this model. The slipping cam, you occasionally see them on our phones, but they're quite rare now. Anyhow, I think that's more or less all I've got to say. Just a nice little phone, rings well, very sturdy, very heavy, and it's having an airing out in the hall. As I say, I periodically change the phone to a different one, and when I do, I shall put a little video up of it. As I say, I'm in the hall now. You can see I'm in the hall. I've got the nice table lamp there, and some of the lamps in the display at the back. I've got plenty of stuff to actually put up. It's just finding time to put it up. At the back there we've got a transformer to lower the voltage to 110 for this lamp, which is on a dimmer on the American stuff. Anyhow, that's more or less all I've got to say. Any questions, please ask. I have got back to the questions on the other videos I put up. Once again, many thanks for all you who've written in and passed comments. They're very handy actually, because I say I'm learning all the time. Can't expect to know everything. Know a little bit, probably on a postage stamp, but anyhow, it does help and it's nice. So once again, thanks for watching, and yeah, don't know what I'm going to put up next. We'll see. Thanks again. Thank you.